so good. The weather was very good yesterday. Today is a bit hot, but lucky we finished in the afternoon. So we at the most of the hot period we're going to be resting.
Very interesting stages, and the working of the officers is very good on a high level, and we're really enjoying the match. And we would also like to invite Kenya side and national team to our match in June, and let it discuss for a very big IDPA match, and maybe further for IPSC matches as well.
Nimeona hapa kuna very good preparation because it is a game of discipline. Wale wanapiga risasi hapa Sabaha, there are people ambaye wako na interest kwa hiyo kitu. Njoo mambo ya shabaha itakana mtu awe na discipline yake mzuri na awe anajua kutumia bunduki mzuri. They have been having a lot of consistency mpaka training mpaka wamefika kiwango ya kuja competition. Ile tu ndio ningesema, because it's a competition, it's a game kama ile nyingine athletics, football. Wengi wanaweza kujiunga. Angalau tuwe na variety of people. Ile kitu nimeona pia jana, it is so good because unaona hii team yetu hapa wameenda mpaka sasa wameinvite team kutoka nje. Kulikuwa na team kutoka Russia na wengine kutoka mbalimbali. So that competition is very healthy. It also bring a lot of interaction.